Transportation leaders have approved thousands of dollars for a study to potentially use a rail line in South Austin. This line would connect the airport to South Austin neighborhoods and possibly to downtown Austin. Rebecca Trejo shows us where the line is and explains its future.
Hundreds of cars drive over it every day. This rail line in South Austin has not been used for more than 20 years, but it may now have a future.
This is a great piece of property that's essentially been abandoned for quite some time.
Austin City Council member Ann Kitchen is on the Capital Area Metropolitan Planning Organization, or CAMPO. Last night, the board voted to work with the city to begin a $280,000 study to determine the best use for the rail line known as the Bergstrom Spur.
It's really timely to take the next step and see what could we use it for.
The line is about 6 miles long from Vinson Road to ABIA, running adjacent to Ben White. It may be turned into a trail, a high-capacity transit line, or both. Capital Metro has identified this line for right-of-way preservation. But right now, a higher priority for the transit agency is the proposed Blue Line, a different route to the airport.
Which we're doing some meetings about this come next week, which is our airport connector.
The Blue Line would run from the airport along Riverside Drive and up either Trinity or Red River, eventually to ACC's Highland campus. Cap Metro's Blue Line is part of the agency's long-term Project Connect vision. It's holding open houses next week to get community feedback.
Get their feedback on whether they agree with the purpose and what we're doing.
While the Blue Line and Bergstrom Spur are different, Kitchen says the spur could connect to downtown if high-capacity transit is built on Congress Avenue, which the spur could connect to. In Austin, Rebecca Trejo, KVUE News.
Councilmember Ann Kitchen says the study on the Bergstrom Spur in South Austin could take up to a year.